folks, Mike here, Mike Duncan. Thanks for tuning in to my latest video. Here we are again. Okay, so today it's all about affiliate marketing made simple using the Power Lead system. Okay, so what I want you to do is just below here, in the bottom right hand corner of your screen, there should be a subscribe button. If you just click that, subscribe to my YouTube channel, just to make sure you don't miss out on any of the exciting content that I'm going to be producing over the next few months. I believe there's a little bell as well. You can once you've subscribed, you can click that to make sure you get notifications. Just do that, folks, and then we can get going. So, simplifying affiliate marketing. Powerleasis has been around for 6 years. They actually celebrated their 6th anniversary about 2 or 3 weeks ago. It's October 2019 now. Okay, so 6 years ago would have been 2013. I personally have been a member of the Power Lead system for 4.5 years. May 2015, as I say, it's October 2019 right now. So if you're watching this next year, if you're watching this in the future, then you can work out how long, because I'll still be around then. I'm not going anywhere. Neither is the Power Lead system. Okay, Power Lead system is quite simply what we're going to show you. First of all, what I'm going to show you, what I'm leading up to. I'm going to do a bit of explaining and show you a few things. Then I'm going to show you how we've actually developed, or there's been a new sales funnel developed. And the guy that's actually developed it has allowed us to actually use it and share it. This new sales funnel totally simplifies the whole affiliate marketing model, especially with the Power Lead system. It does everything for you. It's as close to automation as that you can literally get. There is no other platform out there that does what the Power Lead system does, and we've made it even better and more powerful. This new sales funnel does all the selling, all the onboarding, all the explaining, all the signing up. It duplicates itself, so everybody that comes on board through this system, this sales funnel, will get to use the same sales funnel. So they're literally duplicating it. It steps everybody through step by step how to get it all set up. So all you have to do then is just get traffic, get leads, prospects to look at the lead capture pages, to look at the actual sales funnel, and we'll show you how to do that. We'll explain how to do that. Once you're inside, we'll show you exactly what to do. Now, the Power Lead system has a powerful affiliate, an affiliate marketing part. Does that make sense? Okay, it is an affiliate marketing system. So basically, you get paid for selling the memberships. Once you become a member, once you're an affiliate, you get paid for selling the memberships to the Power Lead system. And inside, there's a whole range of tools, resources, and training that people can use to help them promote any other business. If they want to be an affiliate of the Power Lead system and sell that, that's even better. Okay, now the residual income you earn by selling the Power Lead, there's no physical selling. You're not out there to try and convince or persuade people. You just presented the information. That's all you have to do. So you get a steady cash flow from the residual income of other members once you bring them into the system. We also have powerful back-end commissions that, as well as the hours and hours of marketing training and system training that you get for being an affiliate, we also have some other training modules in-house that you can purchase, and once you've purchased them, you then own the resale lot rights for those for life. So if anybody that you bring in decide to buy those products, you'll also get paid a one-off commission. So you're going to get a steady cash flow from your residual commission from new affiliates joining. That's your steady weekly, monthly cash flow. And then you're going to get the one-off big ticket commissions. You get $100 commissions, $400 commissions, and $1,000 commissions. Okay, but you have to own the products. If you don't own the product, that commission will get passed up to me. Okay, now I'd rather you had the money, but if you don't own it, it will get passed up to me. Now, I'll just show you very quickly the training that we have to offer. Now, you've got 6 different training modules here. No, sorry, 8 different training modules here. I'll show you what you get as part for just being an affiliate. You get Master Traffic Academy. You get, that's, as it says, Master Traffic Academy is going to teach you how to generate traffic for any business. The training area, this is system training. So this shows you how all the tools work, how you can build your own landing pages, lead capture pages, sales funnels, and all of that stuff. Power VIP Club. Inside here, there's even more already done for you lead capture pages that you can copy and use and edit, change the wording, change the, the fonts and the pictures and the videos. So there's even more of those in there. There's a powerful Instagram marketing, Instagram training module inside there, which you get for just being an affiliate. You get the roadmap to riches. Okay, now the roadmap to riches will actually show you the steps that you need to take to be successful. Okay, it's a powerful document that you can have a look at. You get endless free mobiles, endless free leads mobile. Now this is something that's retailing on the open market for around $300. You can Google it. It's by a guy called Max Steingart. You can Google it and have a look, and he's selling it for $300. You get that for free, and if you don't do anything else and just use the endless free mobiles, just do 40 minutes to an hour a day learning the methods that Max teaches, how to generate leads using Facebook and LinkedIn. Okay, if you do nothing else but that will generate you a really nice income using the Power Lead system. Okay, it'll teach you how to speak to how to find the right people and how to speak to the right people. So you're not speaking to people that are not interested. Okay, so it teaches you how to do that on Facebook and on LinkedIn. That is, if you don't do anything else, then that's all you'll need to actually be able to generate an endless flow of people looking at your business. Now, I'm going to take you through to this sales funnel. It's called the Forever Wealth System. We have to call it something, don't we? So the Forever Wealth System is a series of lead capture pages. It's right down the bottom here. Okay, you get six different lead capture pages. Couldn't work out what 6 was then. You get 6 different lead capture pages with this. I'm going to show you a couple. You can choose which one you use, and okay, so that's one done for you. Really simple, gets the message across, and then people, all you have to do is get people here and put that, so they can put their name and email address in, or just an email address in this instance. Let's try this one. Okay, there's another one. Tired of being broke, this stops now. Okay, so there's 6 of these, all slightly different, and you can experiment, swap over, change them round, and whatever you want to do. Okay, so you get 6 lead capture pages that you can choose from, and once all your job is to do is to get people to that lead capture page. And as I say, use LinkedIn and Facebook, use the training in the back office to actually to get people to this page. Once they've filled their email address in there, they're going to come through to a sales page. Now this is where the magic happens, because this does absolutely everything for you. It's not just a simple sales page get people to sign up. This actually steps them through the setting up process. It steps them through signing up, gets them signed up. It does all the explaining for them, and it tells them that this is the same funnel that they're going to be using once they're inside, once they're on board, once they become an affiliate. Okay, so, and it explains all the products. It's not just getting people to become an affiliate. It explains in depth all the different products, why they should have them, why you need them, and why not having them, you're just going to be leaving money on the table. So when you first come here, you've got a 16-minute video which gives you an outline of the business. If you're interested, you click here, say let me in. Yes, let me in. Okay. And once they've gone through, once they put their email address in there, you can send these pages out to them once or twice a week. If they don't join straight away, they're going to be drip fed an email campaign. There's a pre-written email campaign attached to this, so you don't have to write any emails or anything at all. Okay, and that email campaign will be drip fed to your opt-ins, to your leads over the next 2 weeks. Okay, 10 days to 2 weeks or something like that. They will get a drip fed. They get an email a day for the first couple of days, and then one every other day for the next 10 days or so. Okay, and then you yourself, and we'll show you how to do this, you can actually broadcast your members. So just to keep them in touch, just so they get to know you, because generally people are only going to buy from people they know, like and trust. They don't buy from people first time. Okay, some will, but most people won't buy from people on the first contact. They need to get to know you, to understand that you are a real person. So they come through to the second bit, yes, let me in, and you've got a 27-minute video which explains in more detail, does all the setting up and explaining for you. You come down here, you've got the fast start button. After you've watched the video, the fast start button is where you get signed up. I'll just show you that. This is where you actually get signed up and you create your account. The login page, once you've created your account, once you've created your free 7-day trial. Oh, my throat's getting a bit hoarse. Once you've created your free 7-day trial, you'll be emailed a username and password, and you just need to remember them, write them down somewhere, and you just put your username and password in there, and you just log in. Okay, and then you got your system set up. This is where Frank goes through in detail the steps 1, 2, and 3 of setting up your Forever Wealth System sales funnel, and then all you need to do is just get eyeballs, go and find people like you that are interested in making a job replacing income online. Okay, everything's there. There's 3 things you can do once your people have signed up, or once people have opted in but haven't signed up. You can send them you can send them a copy of this page twice a week. We have live trainings on a Wednesday and Thursday. You can send them an invite to the live training. And what that shows is that you're being proactive, and this is all that they need to do. It's duplication at its simplest. Okay, all you're doing is duplicating this system, which makes it really simple. And as I said earlier, everything you need is all under one umbrella inside the Powerlead system. You don't need to go and get another autoresponder. You don't need to go and get training on LinkedIn or training on Facebook or on Instagram or anything like that. You don't have to go and get a web page or products to sell. Everything you need is all under this one umbrella. Okay, so listen up, folks. What I want you to do, if you haven't already, is just below here in the bottom right hand corner, there should be a subscribe button. Just click the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel. All the links for this will be below here, if it's on Facebook or on YouTube. Below here in the description you'll find the links to actually get started and have a closer look at this. Just come through the system. If you're not sure about it, absolutely fine. If you've got any questions, just leave them in the comments below. You'll have all my contact details. I give everybody my email, my phone number, my Facebook, so you can add me on Facebook and message me on Facebook. You'll have all of those, so you can text me, you can call me, you can WhatsApp me. If you've got any questions whatsoever, just let me know. Okay, so first thing to do is click the subscribe button and then click the link below and go through the sales funnel, just so you can have a look at it. Okay, you're not committed to anything at any point. Just go through the sales funnel. Okay, take a 7-day free trial, but don't take it with the intention of cancelling, because you're not going to get anywhere doing that. Come on board, give it a couple of months, 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, whatever, and if you do what we tell you to do, if you follow the training, success will follow. Okay, I think I'm done. So yeah, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click the link below. Okay, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for tuning in, and see you soon. Bye.